In the bustling halls of a sprawling corporation, there worked a quiet and unassuming janitor named Harold. Every day, he shuffled through the labyrinthine corridors, broom in hand, and a gentle smile on his face. Despite his diligent work, the employees of the company barely acknowledged him. Some even ridiculed him, considering him a mere fixture, a shadow that passed them by. Yet, Harold, with his stoic disposition, took it all in his stride, quietly observing the company's inner workings over the years. As the years flowed by, the company, which was once thriving, began to wane. Scandals surfaced, profits plummeted, and the workforce dwindled. One could say it was a storm that swept away all but the strongest roots, and in this storm, Harold remained, an unnoticed constant amidst chaos. Unknown to the remaining employees, Harold's quiet demeanor belied the keen intelligence hidden beneath. In his free time, he studied, read extensively, and learned about management and business administration. And equally unknown to them all, Harold had befriended a particular individual over the years, Mr. Alderstone, the original founder of the company. Mr. Alderstone, though often away, had always recognized something special in Harold. They shared many conversations over freshly brewed coffee during late hours when the office was empty. Alderstone saw in Harold not just a janitor, but a man of integrity, compassion, and wisdom. When it became evident that the company needed a new direction and fresh leadership, Alderstone made a decision that would change everything. One fateful morning, as the flustered few that remained clocked in for work, a surprise awaited them. News buzzed through the office that Mr. Alderstone had stepped down, handing over the reins to none other than Harold. Shock rippled through the workforce, disbelief mingling with glimmers of curiosity and hope. Harold, with understated confidence, addressed the employees who had overlooked him for years. He spoke of visions, of changes needed, of values to uphold, and above all, of respect and empathy in the workplace. With Harold at the helm, the company slowly regained its former glory, but this time, it thrived on principles of integrity and inclusivity. The very people who had once snickered behind Harold's back now looked up to him with respect and admiration. And that's how Harold became the CEO of the company. Let's not look down on others even if they mean nothing to us.